Hi there, it's Melissa Carr with the Tony Z team. I'm at our new listing at the Estates at Manor Ridge. This complex is fantastic for downsizers who are looking for a one-level rancher-style home, which offers 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, fresh paint throughout, new carpets throughout, a double garage, and plus you have an end unit. You have to come have a peek. The bonus to being on this end unit is that you have a fantastic yard and garden space, and then you also have an excellent covered area for all of our West Coast weather.